Assalamualaikum students. Today we are taking lecture stages of ontogeny. In the last lecture I told you definition of ontogeny. And again I told you that ontogeny is the process by which an organism develops from a fertilized egg. How an organism develops from a fertilized egg. There is another definition, that is the morphogenesis. This is the name of the title of this chapter. Morphogenesis is a biological process that causing an organism to develop its shape, how it developed into its present form, and this is a branch of developmental biology. Morphogenesis is correlated with the morphology, that is the study of form and structure. Next, here I show you different stages of ontogeny, in which the first one is gametogenesis, that is the formation of gametes, and all of you know gametes are the sex cells, they are the sperms and ova. The process is called meiosis, also called gametogenesis. Next step is called fertilization, that is the fusion of gametes, either external means outside the body of the female and the water, as in the amphibian and in case of fishes. And it can be internal in which the sperms are transferred to the body of the female, where the egg is fertilized within the reproductive tract of the female. Next step is called cleavages. The cleavages is the just like mitosis, they are actually the abruptly mitosis just after the fertilization. The egg is undergo the cleavages. The number of cleavages, the type of cleavages, it depends upon the species and the type of egg will be discussed in the later. Here I told you that blastomere. What is a blastomere? Each cell at the cell stage is called blastomere. Next is called morula. Morula is a ball of cell. After the cleavages, when the cleavages stop, then there is a structure that is called morula, which is a ball of cell. And after morula, there is a stage called blastulation. Blastulation means the formation of blastosphere, which is a cavity which is formed between blastomere. An animal at that stage is called blastula. Next stage is called gastrulation. Gastrulation means the movement of cells from outside of the embryo towards embryo interior. As a result of this, three germ layers are formed: ectoderm, endoderm, and mesoderm. And later on, these layers will undergo the development and the formation of different organs. So the next stage is called organogenesis, that is the formation of organs from the germ layers, ectoderm, endoderm, and mesoderm. Next one is called the growth. And what is a growth? Growth is development of the organism, maturation and development is called growth. Growth is also a histological differentiation, in which histology means the study of tissue, differentiation differ karna, how they differ. So histological differentiation means how the tissue differentiate from one another and how different organs are functioning. Last stage is called regeneration. Regeneration is the development of lost parts, and it happens even after the birth of an organism. It can happen either throughout the life, or it is limited to certain area, or it can occur throughout the body. This regeneration is called morphogenetic development. Regeneration is the same process as an organism develops from an egg. Same stages will happen, but not like this: cleavages and gastrulation, morulation, not like this, but a cell develops just like its initial stage. Here I show you different stages of ontogeny. In case of frog, this is the mature frog. First, gametogenesis. This is the egg form and the sperm. Both are fused to form a zygote. Zygote is diploid. Egg and sperm are haploid. Then zygote undergoes cavities. These stages show the cleavages. This cavity indicates the blastocele, this cavity develops. Here is a pore. This pore is called blastophore, and this pore has different lips, dorsal, ventral, and lateral, through which the cell moves towards inside. Like this, cells are moving, and there is another cavity which is called archenteron. Next cavity is formed, and after that, the stages are organogenesis, in which different organs are formed. Then the larva will hatch, and after hatching, it will undergo metamorphosis and develop into an adult frog. So today our topic is on the ontogenesis and stages, and you have to learn all of the stages, and the sequence should be not disturbed. So you learn from stage number 1 to the last stage. Okay, bye. Next time we will discuss about the egg and the type of egg. Take care.